Affiliate marketing works, but it will only work for you if you know how to advertise. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's pretty much linking up with a company. You go to the website, fill out all your information, then you put your payment information, whether you want to receive money through PayPal, direct deposit, you name it. Okay, you fill out your information, contact information, the way you're going to receive your payment, and then you're going to fill out the forms that you will file with your taxes. Okay, after that, you're going to go to the website and select the program that you want to advertise. And this is with ClickBank or with any affiliate marketing. This is how it all works. So you're going to go to the website and you're going to select what you want to advertise. You're going to take the link and then you're going to use that link to get the money. Okay. You're going to promote that link. Now, there's different ways to promote that link. Okay. Now, I find out that if you try to use Google to promote these affiliate marketing links, you're going to mess around and get banned from Google Ads. You try to use Facebook to promote these affiliate links, and you're going to mess around and you're going to get banned from Facebook. And it's hard to get those accounts back once you're banned. So the best and most effective way to advertise is just to use organic traffic. Organic traffic is the best way to advertise any type of affiliate marketing link. Now, there's different ways to use traffic. You can post a YouTube video. Make a YouTube video and put the link in the description. And you just create a video. Now, there's different ways to create the videos. You can do it yourself or you can outsource and have someone do it for you. You can pay someone to create the video for you on a website called Fiverr. And there's plenty of other websites that you can use to outsource. Another way that you can promote your link is to use Facebook and Instagram. But on Facebook, you can create a video, a short video advertising a link, and in the description of your post you can put the link. Or you can use Reels. Now, Reels is going to get more traffic. With Reels, you can make that video or pay someone to create the video for you, upload it, and you can place the link in the description of the reel, or you can post the website on your reel. Okay. Now, when you post these links, the links look crazy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, the links look really, really crazy. You can't just take an affiliate link and post it because it's gonna look crazy. So you're gonna have to go to tinyurl.com. When you go to tinyurl.com, you're gonna take your affiliate marketing link and you're gonna post it on the tinyurl.com, and it is going to shorten that link. It's going to shorten that URL, and it's going to make it look sexy because nobody's going to click on some weird link. If you think that somebody's going to click on a weird link, you are sadly mistaken. So tinyurl is going to shorten that link and make it look real sexy. So then you get the link from tinyurl and you post it to a document and you save that link on your desktop or on your documents on your computer or laptop. And once you do that, then you take the tinyurl link and you can promote that link. That's the link that you want to promote. You can promote it on YouTube. You can promote it on Instagram, and you can promote it on Facebook. Organic traffic. Only use organic traffic. If you use paid traffic on Google paid traffic, you're going to get banned. If you use Facebook paid traffic, going to get banned. Now, TikTok, you might be able to get away with it, but you might get banned on TikTok too. So it's better to use organic traffic. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.